The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Good morning students, I am Chandrakant Tiwari. Welcome to my YouTube channel Usha Learning Classes. We are going to conduct video classes of class 10th mathematics CBSE board in a series of videos. Till now in chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables, we have covered general form, graphical method, condition for solvability and algebraic method. In algebraic method we have covered substitution method, cross multiplication method and elimination method. Today we are going to continue chapter 3 and we will cover the topic as equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. Number second, CBSE board exam question solved. Number third, solution of previous assignment question 12. Number 4, assignment question 13. Come to our first topic. Equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. There are several situations which can be mathematically represented by two equations which are not linear to start with, but we alter them to reduce them as a pair of linear equations. For example, 1 by x plus y plus 3 by x minus y equal to 7. We can alter them as a pair of linear equation. Let 1 by x plus y equal to u and 1 by x minus y equal to b. Then equation become u plus 3b equal to 7. This is a linear equation. Come to our next topic. Second, CBSE board exam question solved. First question is solve for x and y. Equations are 15 upon x minus y plus 22 upon x plus y equal to 5 and 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y equal to 13, where x not equal to y and x not equal to minus y. Clearly the given equations are not linear. We have to reduce them to become linear equations. Let us do that. Putting u equal to 1 by x minus y and v equal to 1 by x plus y. Equations become 15u plus 22v equal to 5. This is 1 and 40u plus 55v equal to 13. This is equation 2. Now solve it. Multiply 1 by 5 and 2 by 2. We get 75u plus 110v equal to 25. This is equation 3 and 80u plus 110v equal to 26. Now subtracting this is equation 4. Subtracting 3 from 4, we get 5u equal to 1 or u equal to 1 by 5. Putting u equal to 1 by 5 in equation 3, we get equation 3 is this. 1 by 5 means 15 plus 110v equal to 25 or v equal to 10 upon 110 or v equal to 1 by 11. Therefore u 1 by x minus 1 by x minus y equal to 1 by 5 or x minus y equal to 5 and 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 11 or x plus y equal to 11. This is equation 5 and this is equation 6. Now adding equations 5 and 6, we get x equal to 8 and by subtracting 5 from 6, we get y equal to 3. Hence x equal to 8 and y equal to 3 are the required answer. Come to our next question. B. Solve for x and y. Equations are 1 by 2x minus 1 by y equal to minus 1 and 1 by x plus 1 by 2y equal to 8, where x not equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. Clearly the given equations are not linear, so we have to reduce them as linear equations. Let us try to solve it. Let u equal to 1 by x and b equal to 1 by y. We get 1 by 2u minus v equal to minus 1 and u plus 1 by 2v equal to 8. This implies that u minus 2v equal to minus 2. This is equation 1 and 2u plus v equal to 16. This is equation 2. Now we have to solve these equations. From 1, u equal to 2v minus 2. Putting in and 2, we get 4v -4 प्लस v इक्वल टू 16 और 5v इक्वल टू 20 और v इक्वल टू 4. Putting v equal to 4 in 1, we get v equal to 4, u equal to 6. Therefore 1 by x equal to 6 and 1 by y equal to 4. Hence x equal to 1 by 6 and y equal to 1 by 4. This is our required answer. Come to our next topic. 3. Solution of previous assignment question 12. Question was, form the pair of linear equations and find their solutions. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay ₹1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays ₹1180 as hostel charge. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Let us try to solve it. Let x equal to fixed charges and y equal to cost of food per day. Then, according to question, x plus 20y equal to 1000. This is equation 1. And x plus 26y equal to 1180. This is equation 2. On subtracting on subtracting 1 from 2, we get 6y equal to 180 or y equal to 30. Putting y equal to 30 in equation 1, we get x plus 20 into 30, 600 equal to 1000. This implies that x equal to 400. Hence, fixed charges of hostel equal to ₹400 and cost of food per day equal to
rupees 30.
Come to our next topic. 4. Assignment question 13. Question is, a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. It can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream in 13 hours. Find the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Try to solve it. If you solve, then give your answers in comment box, and if you are not able to solve, then we will solve it for you in the next video. Before concluding today's session, I just want to quickly say that if you like this video or you want more videos on math, then please subscribe my channel, hit like button, and do not forget to share and comment guys. Thanks for watching.